Hello guys, hope you're doing well, you're doing okay. So let's get started. So someone might ask themselves, what is this small basket for? That basket helped me to make a circle, and this circle help our craft to be accurate. So here I used those sticks you're seeing. I used the sticks for old broom. So now I started by fixing them together, making something like a hexagon. Is it? Yeah, six-sided. What you're about to see is very beautiful, like for your wall. Like you can put it in the bedroom, you can put it maybe in your living room, but trust me, you need to see this craft. Yes. So I went ahead and fixed them together, tying them, making sure that I tie them tightly. So after tying them, you need to put it like down in the circle to make sure that you don't do any mistake. So the circle will help you to make sure that what you are doing, your craft, is so accurate. Now there I have started doing my craft. Now that's it started with white yarn. So what you need to do, you have to keep on rolling it on those sticks, going that side, until you roll the whole thing, like the whole color you want to put. Yes. So I added my blue color. You see how it is coming out. I think you can see that it is really, really beautiful. Yes. I went ahead and fixed everything. Until I got to the size of the circle that I had drawn. If the circle is too big for you, you can actually do the size you want. It is still okay. You can make any size you want, and you can remember, you can put it in any shape you want. It is a matter of adding, making, it depends on how many sticks you want to make. You can make a triangle, you can make a square. It depends on what you want, which shape you want. And I would advise that instead of using like these sticks that I used, if you have something like metallic, you can use it because it is strong and it will keep it straight. So that's how I used my whisk to roll this thread. You ask yourself, what is it for? Watch and see what I used it for, because that's what I had, like that was convenient for me to use, to make what I really wanted to make. So after rolling this thread on the whisk, I'll cut it and remove it, to make what I want to make. So there I removed it. I had to cut it with a scissor, to make what I really wanted to make. You see, let's